Hi there. In this video we're going to put together this lovely card. Let's get started. This card is 100% free to cut without a Cricut Design Space subscription. It'll be available on my website, which is buyjuniper.com. I'll link to everything in the description box below. So let's get into it. I cut my card base. Usually forget it. Alright. So let me tell you a little bit about this piece of paper. It's a print thin cut. And on the file, you have this piece right here as a separate piece, and then the whole piece as a separate piece. So this would have been printed all the way out to the top, and then this would be layered on top of it. But in Design Space, since I was using digital papers, I was able to combine them together to save paper by lining them up where lining them up where they go, and then selecting all and flatten. So there's a little tip for you. Alright. And I'm using metallic gold cardstock for my accent pieces. Ooh. Alright. So we're going to glue this on top of the gold matting piece. Don't really need a lot of glue because it'll slide around on the metallic gold. Let me make sure I haven't got no glue on my hand, because you get on the metallic gold and it won't come off. Alright, that looks good to me. It'll slip and slide around, so I'm just gonna do that for now. Put it off to the side. Alright. Then you have these two pieces. They're kind of like a belly band. Well, kind of. They stack on top of each other. And then there's a button. And I added the button to it so it would look, a little less plain. So I'm going to glue those all together. Whoops. Make sure I got glue off my hands. Alright, so this one butts all the way up against the sides when you attach it. We'll glue it on. So it's easy enough to get the shadow or outline. Alright. And then I don't know if you can see this. Guess not. Guess not gonna focus. Anyways, I used Spectrum Noir Crystal Clear Shimmer pen to give it a little shimmer so it's not plain looking, like just plain cardstock. It's kind of hard to see without it, unless it's in the light. All right. Then we're going to add this to this. Okay. So this goes on top of this, and you're going to cover up the line of where you added paper, stacked the paper. And then this does not go all the way to the gold. It just stays on the paper, the pattern paper. Okay. Alright, and that's how it looks finished. I like the mirror gold. Looks really good. I was going to use matte gold, but I decided mirror gold would probably be good. Now we'll add it to our card base. Well, my glue's getting clogged up. Or maybe I just can't see it on the white. Okay. Alright. That's how I add my card bases. I just slap them on there. Add my card fronts to my card bases. I just slap them on there. Alright. So that's it for this card. Remember, I'll have the file linked below on my website. And you can get it for free and cut for free. There it is. Thank you for watching.